Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota Avensis. In this video I'll show you all safety features installed in this car. Toyota Avensis from 2012 has multiple safety features as standard in ADAS. It is equipped with vehicle stability, traction control, ABS with brake assist. High-spec models might have pre-collision system, though it's rare. The best trim for safety is XLT-Spirit with better visibility via Xenon lights. This car features 7 airbags as standard, dual front side curtain and driver knee airbag. It has 5-star Euro NCAP rating, even by older standards. Also, this car is equipped with cruise control and speed limiter. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.